Invest in stock market through two ways. The first one is through IPO and the second one is through equities. Okay. Now let's understand this IPO concept with the help of a recent example. Okay. Recently, IRCTC has launched its application, like launched its IPO. So what are the things which we have to consider? The first thing which we have to consider is what is the issue price. That is issue price means it is the minimum price which we have to pay. And what is the market lot? The market lot is 40 shares. That means if you purchase one lot, it will consist of 40 shares. Okay. Not only this, you have to keep in mind that from when you can start your subscriptions or from when the bid offer opens. Okay. So here you can see the bid opens on 30th September and it closes on 3rd October. Okay. So let's assume, friends, that we all have applied for the IRCTC. See, some thousands and thousands and crores of people will apply for IRCTC IPO, isn't it? But the thing is, everybody will not be allotted, right? So the persons who are not allotted the IPO, to them what will happen? Amount will be refunded. When? On October 10th. And the persons who are allotted IPOs, then what will happen is the shares will be credited to their demat account on 11th October. And finally on 14th October, IPO will be listed in stock market. Right, friends?
Praveen, I have a doubt.
Yeah, tell me.
So why IPO need to come into the existence?
Sorry?
IPO?
Yeah, see, why IPO? See, first thing what you have to remember is it is the first time only when IPOs are listed in the market. Previous track we don't have any track of IPOs. Okay, because see, whatever information we have, we can have with the help of that application or by visiting their website. Okay, but we don't have any previous track record because they are listed first time in the market through IPOs. So my strong suggestion is, friends, as per my experience, I am telling you that, and even the history suggests that also, that only 5% of the times IPOs have generated a good return. Most of the times IPOs haven't worked well at all. Okay, so if you're damn sure about the particular company, then only go for IPO. Otherwise, there are more than 3,000 companies in the market, friends. You can invest there also. Okay, so it depends upon you. But before investing into the IPOs, have a full knowledge about a particular company. Okay, we will have only the fundamental part if you invest in IPOs, but we don't have any technical knowledge, because technical history. Okay, now friends, if you want to go for IPO, minimum lot which you can purchase is 1 and maximum is 15. That means minimum you can spend up to 12,800 and maximum is 1,92,000. Okay, so these are the basic things which you have to consider, friends. Okay, now the thing is how to invest in or how to apply for IPO. There are two ways. First thing is you can apply with the help of a UPI ID or your broker, or you can apply for IPO through ASBA. That means application supported by bank accounts. First, understand how you can do this with the help of UPI. What you have to do is you have to create your UPI ID, okay, with your personal bank account. Everywhere you can find it, friends. Say today everybody is using Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm. So there you will get your UPI ID. Once it's generated, what you have to do is you have to log into your trading account. Next, you have to select the IPO tab, then select the IPO company and click submit. Okay, as simple as that. But when it comes to investment through ASBA, what you have to do is you have to log into your internet banking first, and internet banking is must, friends. Okay, if you want to invest through banks. Next, select DMAT and ASBA application. Next, fill in the all the basic details, IPO details. Click submit button. Okay, and once you click on submit button, your amount will be blocked for IPOs, and that amount will only be deducted when shares are allotted to you. If it's not allotted, automatically it will be refunded. Okay, friends. Now let's understand this with the help of practical example. Okay, here I am explaining with the help of Zerodha account. So log into your Zerodha account, click on portfolio, select IPO. Okay, once you select IPO, all the companies which are going to be listed through IPOs, details will be there. Say for example, if I want to invest in Wonder, okay, click on bid, then select your UPI ID. Okay, once you select UPI ID and click submit, here next page will be opened where you have to give all your details. Like say for example, I want to purchase one lot. One lot means 1600 quantities. Okay, at the cutoff price. Cutoff price means at this price only 72 I want to purchase. No, if I want to purchase for like 70, so here you can add give 70 rupees as a price. Okay, if I want to purchase say two lots, here the market lot is, you can see 19. You have to select the quantity as 38. Okay, see, since the market lot is 19, the quantities will be like 19, 38, 57, 76, 95 and so on. Okay, you can't select 35 as your quantity because it has to be in multiples of your lot size. Okay, finally click on the undertaking and submit. Once you submit, your amount will be blocked and the mandate will be sent to your bank account. So this is the way how you can invest with the help of UPI. Now let's understand how you can apply it through net banking. So this is the SBI platform, friends. Okay, once you open your net banking, here option will be there, manage IPO applicant. Okay, once you click on that, enter all the basic details like your applicant name, your PAN number, client ID, everything. Okay, next is click on DMAT and ASBA services. Once you click on that, page will be displayed and here you have to click on the IPO. Okay, then click on the radio button of the IPO for which you want to apply. Click go. And finally you have to enter the details like what is the price, how much is the quantity you want to apply for. But remember friends, quantity should always be in multiples of lot size. If lot size is 40, your quantity should be 40, 80, 120, 160, 200 like that. Okay, and finally click on submit. Right? So these are the ways through which you can invest in IPOs by using UPI or net banking. Now let's understand how to invest in secondaries market, which is nothing but the stock market. Okay, now first log into your trading account. Next, transfer funds from your bank account to trading account. But friends, you should always maintain some funds in your account. Okay, don't make it zero. Select the company in which you want to invest, and finally select buy option and click submit. Let's understand this. Again, we are using Zerodha platform here. If you want to purchase Yes Bank, click on that. Pop-up will be opened. Here you have to give the number of quantities, price, finally buy. And if the order is executed, amount will be debited from your account and shares will be allotted to you. Okay, friends?